Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be making a kiwi and feta salad. This recipe is from Nadi Hussein. If you're familiar with her, she's from the show Bake Off. I've made this plenty of times. It's really tasty. It's really nice for the hot summer that we're having. So here's some ingredients we'll be using today. Alright, so as you can see we have kiwis, some honey, lemon juice, olive oil, tahini, feta, we have some za'atar over here, black sesame, cucumber, dill, garlic, and then some sumac as well. Alright, here are all of our ingredients prepped. As you can see, here's our kiwi, got our cucumbers there, got our 7 ounces of feta cheese, then we have our lemon juice, olive oil, dill, garlic, red onion. That's a lot. We're probably going to end up using only half of that one. Tahini, honey, black sesame, and the za'atar. I forgot to mention when I'm doing the za'atar, I always add a little bit of sumac to it. It just adds a little bit of sourness. Alright, so we'll go ahead and make our dressing. I got our serving platter. I poured the olive oil. I have our lemon juice, honey, garlic, za'atar, then our tahini. Give that a nice mix to combine. Once this all mixed, we'll go ahead and add our onion to it. Like I said before, I'm only adding about half the onions. It's quite a large onion I had. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and add the kiwi. Just kind of spread it out there. Add our cucumber. Then our feta. And we'll do our dill. Finally, our sesame seeds. That's it. Okay, I definitely don't recommend mixing this until you're ready to serve it because this doesn't look that pretty after you mix it, and also gets all kind of wilty and gross. All you're doing is just mixing it together just to distribute all the dressing. All right, here it is. Got our salad here. Let's give it a taste. That was pretty good. You can serve this right away, or you can refrigerate it for a few hours. Get it nice and cool, but otherwise good to go. Definitely like the recipe, definitely recommend it. Enjoy.